got this whole thing, like I said, recently, they got Tony Brown. He's coming out with his thing saying there's no difference between black and white but a few cells. No, in that case, if you go on the internet, they have 20,000 articles a year on melanin alone, and they change every year. That's how much research they're doing on melanin. And they have to change every year because every year the melanin changes. See what I'm saying? Every year the melanin changes. Now these white folks are saying now that the way time is, they say time is not necessarily speeding up. They say creation is speeding up. So that means that they say, white folks say they're going to start, you're going to have a lot of people going out of their minds. They say when you go out of your mind, that's because you're going to another place. And they're saying that creation is speeding up. So they were saying that you're going to, this is what they tell the white folks. They're saying, so you're not going to be able to take your little mathematical function on how you do things and your rigid day-by-day plan to do things. In order to survive within the next coming months, you're going to have to get creative. And they say, what do you mean by that? They're saying, it's like sports figures that you pay all that money to. Because they can do something that you can't do. They say, first of all, when time is speeding up, there's going to be a lot of pressure. And why it is, they say, because the time is going to be off compared to your body, your creativity, your energy, and you're going to be doing certain things. The time is going to be doing something else. And they say, well, how can you change this? They tell this to white folks. They say, you're going to have to do like sports figures. When pressure comes, is when they go at their best. They say, how do they do that? When all this pressure, they get the ball, and they perform under all this pressure. They say, they're not thinking, it's not a split-second thing that they got to think. It's got to be calculated, white folks, you know. It's like the music thing. The music changed when they started writing it down. You see what I'm saying? And they want to come around you and write every little thing you got down. Then when they play it back, it don't sound right.
Yeah, right.
You see what I'm saying? They did the same thing, but what it is, they say, well, how are they able to do it? They say, how are they able to do it? They say, how are they able to do it? They say, they get into the zone. The sports figures, they get into the zone. And when they get into the zone, they're able to function under an enormous amount of pressure. I said, that ain't nothing but black folks, period. That means you're doing something without thought. It's just you in the zone. You didn't even think about it. You just did it. And the shit came out right. It's about like dancing. It's about like certain things you do. You can't understand how you do it. Well, it's the same thing about one brother saying, well, I played music all of the 70s and all of the 80s. No, he said all of the 70s. He said, late 60s and the 70s, I played jazz. He said, I decided to go to college in the 80s, and the white man wanted me to write down everything. Although I could read music, he said, I started hating music. He said, because I had to write it all down. Because, see, they need it written down because that's the way they can play it. But, they said, Duke Ellington then will play every night and play one jazz song every night. And it'd be different every night they play. Because they was in the zone, they wasn't going by the scale. They was talking, there's a documentary on Earth, Wind and Fire. And they were saying, you know, the guy said, you know, Bertie White was saying, you know, he said, when we started doing this again in the 90s, somebody came and said, how can y'all play the same thing over and over? You've been doing it since the 70s. He said, we play it different. We play it enough so the audience can remember it, but we play it different in our minds. That means they're getting into the zone. See what I'm saying? So in so many words, what we're talking about here, what they call in the zone, we're talking about spirit, and that's what's getting ready to happen now. You're going to have to operate outside of the daily regimental schedule and get into the zone of things. And you're going to have to find out what your zone is. You do it every day on that job. Listen, how the hell you could perform that way? You did something on that job when I used to get on the job, and the first 2 weeks it'd be awkward. And then I learned my zone and do it my way, and then I produce better than the other people. That's because you done got into the zone on how you do your thing. And that's what they need. That's what it is when it comes to melanin, and that's what they do. They need you for the creativity.